Okay, so I'm in my backyard, right? And we just got a lot of rain, and I noticed this hole. This is totally new. I've never seen this before. This was all just gravel, and then it caved in, and I don't know what's down there. It could be anything. So I'm gonna dig it out and find out what's going on. Let's dig this puppy out and see what we can find. So this is how much I've dug out so far. You can see I've been digging for a little bit, and this is definitely a drum. So I don't know why someone buried a drum in my backyard, and I still don't know what's in there. Okay, so I busted out the top, and well, okay, now it's gonna get crazy because we're gonna start digging it out and see if there's anything in there. But I just keep thinking, why is this drum back here? Why was this buried vertically in my backyard? The only reason could be that someone wanted to hide something. I mean, there's got to be something down in there, and we're gonna find it. Here we go. Okay, I brought it in close because listen to this sound. I don't know if I'm at the bottom of the drum. I mean, it could be we're just at the bottom of the drum. I have literally no idea. But what is that? Let's see if we can dig it up a little bit. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You see that? Do you see that? What is that? Are you kidding me right now? Are you kidding me right now? Is that? No. Okay, I'm like literally laying down right now. I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna actually get this out. Oh my God, get this shovel out of here. This is absolutely insane. This could be the mother lode right here. Okay, all right, maybe I can pull it out. I got the handle. There we go. Oh, it's coming out. It's coming out. Oh, what is inside this thing? I'm gonna try and film this all in one go so we don't lose it. Okay. My heart is like literally beating out of my chest right now. Where do we open it? Okay, here we go. Probably empty, right? Oh, I can't even get it open. Okay, here we go. There we go, it's opening. Okay. For the first time, let's see what's inside. No way, no way. Okay, I'm down here in my garage. My neighbors were kind of seeing me freak out, so wanted to get this out of sight as soon as possible. This is so much gold. I cannot believe how much gold is in here. Looks like Krugerrands. Oh, wow, this is absolutely incredible. Look at all of that. There's some kind of note in here as well. Let's see if we can get that opened. Okay, so it says, congratulations on finding my hidden stash of gold. This box contains 100 1-ounce gold South African Krugerrand coins. Don't spend them all in one place. Enjoy. And then it's signed DBC, April 1st, 1972. DBC? Is that like DB Cooper, maybe? Oh, this just keeps on getting better and better. And April 1st, that's literally... wait a minute. Today is also April 1st. You gotta be kidding. Alright, it was just a fun little April Fool's Day video. I didn't actually find any real gold, but perhaps you could find yourself some real silver in a giveaway.
Get ready for SD Bullion's Monster Box sweepstakes that includes 500 Silver Eagles. You could be the next lucky recipient of a phone call like this.
This is Dr. Tyler Wall, CEO of SD Bullion. Well, I'm calling you to let you know that you won the SD Bullion giveaway. of a monster box of silver eagles.
So click the link below for your chance to win.
In case you're wondering, these are all fake Krugerrands, and they're probably going to find their way into my decoy safe. As for the hole in my backyard, that was real. It actually just popped up one day, and I dug it out, and there was just a bunch of trash in the bottom of the hole. So anyway, it gave me the inspiration for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you all in the next one. Silver Dragons out.